on the Travato mods. So I've got the heat mat now laid out. You might remember we did the cork underlayment, and so I've now laid out the heating mat from Warmly Yours, and I'll put a link on the blog where to find that. This one is a mat that lays, I've got it taped, but it lays mostly loose on there, and it is for laminate or floating floor. So this is the floor that I plan on using. It's a vinyl, luxury vinyl tile that's going to go in there, and it'll lay right over top of this mat and float in here. And I bought a 10-foot mat, and I'll show you in a minute how I trimmed it. Here's the power cord. You got to notch out the cork, and that's why that cork works really well, because you can just notch that out. It makes a perfect channel to run that line. And so I ran that line through the floor and taped it down. And by taking out the drawer and the top off of the little electric box here, I was able to pull a piece of, I don't know if you can see it down in here, but there's a piece of conduit. No, you can't see it. Pulled a piece of flexible conduit underneath the refrigerator. You see the blue conduit coming up there. I brought it up inside the wall right here, and so here's the line that's going to the thermostat. And I think I'm going to place the thermostat. I'll show you that a little bit later, but I'm going to place it up in here, and it's going to be the only place I got left on this wall here. I'm going to do it right about here, so it'll get at least a decent, temperature reading. There's just not a lot of wall area that you can run cords in, so that's going to be the place. So then at this turn here, I was able to cut the mat. You can cut the foil, just avoiding the lines, and so you can see where the power line is coming right through here, and just continuing on the right angle turn across where I have the water pipes and out toward the door. So I'm going to go ahead and get started laying this vinyl, and I'll show you what that looks like after a little bit.